Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be looking at two different colorways on the same silhouette. This is the New Balance 5740 in the white multicolor and the black multicolor. So let's take a quick look at these two variations. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the New Balance 5740 in the white multicolor and the black multicolor. So two different color variations. We're going to start off by talking about the overview on both of these, and then we will jump into size and fit on these, followed by how I styled each colorway, and then we'll conclude with how much these are selling for currently. I know it's been a long time since these released. Just so you all know, I actually copped these as my very first shoe for 2021, and I just got so slammed and so busy last year that I actually just couldn't find time to film these. So here we are at the start of 2022 actually filming these and talking about them. So I feel like I owe these two sneakers an apology. I'm sorry, 5740s. It's not that I didn't love you. It's just that I forgot about you. They got kind of lost in my stacks of piles of sneaker boxes out there, but I'm happy that I finally get to talk about these. So this was a brand new silhouette that came out last year. These released back in January of 2021, and this sneaker was inspired by the 574. It also kind of reminds me of the 327 because of that large N. It is kind of cut off in comparison to the 327, but it does have that almost exact sizing of the N that we see on the 327. So we're going to start off with this white multicolorway. Actually, you know what, we might just hold both of them in hand and kind of do them side by side. But we've got the black and white multicolor. So starting at the front, we do have the meshing in the black on the black option and white on the white option. We've got some nice premium white leather on the white version and black on the black version. As we work our way around, we do have white and black, so we've just got some opposite coloring schemes, but we do have that nice hint of silver that's popping through on both colorways. It does pop a little bit more on the black versus the white. As we work our way up, we've got black laces on one, white laces on the other, and a nice kind of white meshing for the tongue here, and that nice multicolor for the New Balance logo. And on this one, we've got the black meshing with black laces versus the white laces. All right, so let's look at those details, and then let's move on to the side panels for both of these. So working our way around, you'll see that we have that very large N that's kind of been cut off a little bit. We've got silver with white on this one, while we have black and silver on the other side. We've got black underlays and white underlays. They're just kind of opposite color schemes, but it is exactly the same on the back as far as the multi-colorway goes. So we've got the green leather on the top, and then we do have the suede in that pop of orange, and underneath some more orange hues, but in a bolder color. We've got both both black collars for the interior and both black insoles for both the sneakers, so that doesn't change. And then as we work our way to the bottom of the sneakers, they have the same exact color schemes going on for the midsole. So we do have purple and blue and red, as well as kind of bronzy tone for the bottom of that midsole. Then both shoes are complete with just a simplistic black outsole. All right, let's take a look at those details and then talk about size and fit. As far as it goes, I feel like last year was a huge year as well for collaboration. So again, the 5740 is a brand new silhouette. We saw tons of collabs. I didn't actually get to do any other 5740s last year. It was unfortunate. I did want a couple. We did have the Joshua Vides, which was probably the one that I wanted the most out of all the collabs I saw last year, but we did have Bricks and Wood, which is a really dope concept as well. That was probably the second on my list, but I wasn't able to cop it. Concept also did a collab as well as Stod and Todd Snyder and Band Year. So lots of different collaborations that New Balance rolled out in 2021. So I am excited to see if they do decide to keep continuing doing collaborations on the 5740 this year. I think that this is a great silhouette that has potential for great color combinations. So I'm just kind of waiting to see which color combos do release this year, just because I do think that the 5740 is a very, very comfortable silhouette. As far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. I am a 7.5 in men's. So if you do have higher to narrow feet like myself, I would stick to a similar size range. If you do have wider flat feet, this could differentiate a size that works best for you, but I would say stick true to size on this one. All right, so now let's talk about how I styled both of these. So I definitely varied the looks for each, but if I wore the white one with the look, that also can be applied to the black one as well. For the first look, again, both looks can be applied to either sneaker. I decided to wear a green zip up, and that was just a nice pop of green colorway. I really wanted to play with the green on the back of the collar here. And then I just paired that with some khaki cargo pants. So I think the khaki tones also really are very fitting for the midsole of this sneaker.
You got me thinking, it's you I'm missing. You got that showstop smile. You got my mind dreaming every day. You got that something brand new. You got me thinking, it's you I'm missing. I've seen the world, but nothing's better than love.
For the second look, I switched it up to a tracksuit, and that tracksuit was in a nice light purple velour color scheme. I think that the purple hue in this is really, really strong in the accenting of all the color variations I saw. So I really wanted to bring some purple hues in the look, but I didn't want it to really be any bolder. So that's why I decided to go with a light purple on that second look.
Loving you, girl. I've been waiting time and time again. I've been searching, but nothing else will do. It's gotta be you. You got that fresh look, long curves. You got my head turning time and again. You got that something I need. You got me thinking.
For the last and final look, I decided to dress it up a little bit with a gold tank top, and I also wore some simple, just kind of dressier wide-leg black pants, which obviously there are some nice kind of metallic hues in this, so I really wanted something shiny for that last look.
It's you I'm missing. I've seen the world, but nothing's better than loving you, girl. I've been waiting time and time again. I've been searching.
Do let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style both of these color combos.
Out of my bed, so why do I let these problems get to me? Take the good with the bad. In the moments I'm scared, I know that you're there. You help me find relief, but can you save me? Tell me what's the move tonight? All I want is you tonight. Tell me if the mood is right, 'cause all I want is you tonight. There's a feeling that I'm used to. It's a good time when I'm with you. Tell me what's the move tonight, 'cause all I want is you tonight. Oh, 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 oh. Trapped in this feeling, I know I'm in danger but can't run away, and I need some healing. Tonight I'm counting on you to come and keep me safe. I'm going out of my head.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retail at $120, and currently they are slightly below resale, obviously depending on what size you are. So if you were unable to cop these, you do have an opportunity to probably snag a pair for less than the retail price point. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new here today, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa. We'll catch you on the next episode.
Take the good with the bad. In the moments I'm scared, I know that you're there. You help me find relief, but can you save me? Tell me what's the move tonight?